y'all. Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Oh, can you see me? Hey. Hey. Well, it's springtime in Arkansas. That noise you probably hear in the background is part of springtime in Arkansas. That's my son weed eating. But hey, I've got something maybe new for y'all. It's an organic method for weed control in the Back to Eden garden. I've got my Back to Eden garden prepping. No plants in it yet. Had a lot of stuff that's kind of interfering with getting into the garden. So anyway, enough for excuses. Here's the method. I think you'll find it interesting. Yeah, quite the method, huh? And it is organic because propane is an organic molecule. You know, it's C2H6 if I'm not mistaken. So hey, this is definitely an organic method. All right, this method is mostly meant for Bermuda grass, okay? The Bermuda grass is, I was actually worried about this from the beginning, that the Bermuda grass would not be suppressed by the wood chips and everything, and it's not. And obviously you can't do this when you have plants growing, but when you're doing your original prep and it starts coming up, do this to get rid of it all. And then you can do it with a smaller propane torch, you know, where you can just point and hit them when it comes up. Then you just have to keep it under control. But hey, I guess that's it for today. God bless y'all. See you next time.